Hi, welcome back to the channel. Please like and subscribe. Today we're going to use the TERRO Liquid Ant Bait traps for ants that appear in your car. So in Florida we have a lot of trees, as you can see, and a lot of ants. They actually fall on your car, and next thing you know, they're in your car, inside, in the trunk. So basically I'm going to put these in here and we're going to see how it works. So we're going to put these to work. Okay, so as you can see, there's some ants, these small little ants here in the car crawling. So I'm gonna put a TERRO Liquid Ant Bait. This kills the ants you see and the ants you don't. So let's try it out. See, they're all over the leather, they're crawling inside. And I'm gonna put one actually right here. Okay, you can see the ant right there is crawling. So we'll see what happens. Actually, they're everywhere. You know, and that's like something that you really don't want to have in your car, especially when you're driving or when you're not driving. And these here are pre-filled, they're ready to use, and basically break the pre-filled baits apart, hold it upright, and place the bait label side up. Okay, and check it for activity, monitor it regularly. I've used these before and it has some great success, and I'm going to try it again because they really work. This is a package that has 4, and I'm taking it out here. 4 baits here. Okay, you can see it's clear. You just break one off. Yeah, there's a lot of ants here now. Okay, you can see these here, they're everywhere. So I'm gonna put this trap in as soon as possible because I definitely don't want to be driving and have ants all over me, my arms, my legs, and the rest of my car. Not good at all. I actually bought this last week because when I opened my door, there were lots of ants, but I did not put them in because I wanted to make sure that I can show you guys the ants that I have in my car and see how it works, because I always want to show you what I talk about. I just want to tell you one thing, you believe one thing, but these are ants here. They came from the trees, excuse me, and I'm going to put the liquid ant bait in the car. I'm actually going to put one on each door, inside the door where I shut the door, inside on the floorboard on each side. I have 4 of these, so I'm going to try 2, and if it's not working, I will put all 4 of them in there, because this is a problem here. You can see this. So, okay, so I'm opening it. You just twist this here, the top. Okay, twisting it off. Here we go. Okay, and you see the liquid inside. I will put the bait right here, and we will check it. Okay, I'll check it in probably tomorrow. And hopefully these ants are gone. I'm gonna put one on the other side of the car too, because there seems to be ants all through the car. Okay, so if you have this problem, we're trying to solve it. And stay tuned for the next side. Okay, so I'm going around the other side here. Okay, now I open on the right side, which is the passenger the rear passenger side. There are ants here also. There's not a lot, but there's still ants. So whoa, there's one on the leather seat. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely put these in. Actually, I might put these in all 4 on 4 floorboards here. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take the top off here, twist it like I did before. Okay, there you go. And press those. These are very easy to use and they work. They're effective. So here we go. Put it in, and it's very clear, so you can actually see the ants inside. They're supposed to go inside and get trapped with the bait. So I'll try the other 2 doors also. Okay, so when I open the door on the passenger side, you can see they're all over my leather. They're climbing on everything. So I'm definitely gonna put a trap in, ant bait in the front driver's side and the front passenger side, because this is something that you definitely don't want to deal with. Okay, so I'm gonna put one actually right here. Let's see, right here on the floorboard actually. It's a good location. So I'm gonna put one actually right here on the floorboard as we speak. These are the last two. One's gonna go on the passenger side floorboard and the driver's side floorboard. Easy to detach, easy to use. This is number 3. Okay. Might want to use both hands when you twist it, because with one hand it's not gonna work. Twist it off. Like I said, it's clear, so you can see what goes in there. When you pick it up, we're gonna check in about 24 hours to see what we catch. All right, here we go. All right. See, I want to show you guys a picture of the tree, one of the trees that I parked under, and the ants just came out of nowhere. Basically came from the tree onto the car. Now, actually, you can see an ant crawling inside the floorboard here. Definitely need to vacuum. Okay, there's a lot of debris here, and that's going to be one thing too. So make sure if you have food in your car, you drop food, you eat in the car, make sure you clean it out, because then you have situations like this that happen. Also, soda attracts a sweet. But this is the last one. I'm going to open it and put it right here on the floorboard. Okay, so I've opened this one. It's the last one, the last TERRO Liquid Ant Bait. I'm going to put it right here on the floorboard. Actually, I'm going to put it right here, actually, between the other one. I'm going to actually move it because I think it's a little easier, because if I'm stepping in the car, I'll step on it. And also, I'm definitely going to clean this out, so it'll be nice and clean, and I can see the ants. So there you have it. We're going to check in 24 hours to see what we have in our baits. These are TERRO Liquid Ant Baits. Kills the ants you see and the ants you don't. I'm just showing this to you guys because this definitely worked for me, and I hope it works for you if you have this problem. Also, there are many other uses that you can use this besides your car. The interior defense, also perimeter defense outside the home, inside the kitchen, on the countertops, by the stove, underneath the sink. So if you have that problem, definitely give this TERRO Liquid Ant Baits a try. Okay. So if you want to order it, I actually put the link in my description. So feel free to click on that and pick one up today. Okay, and there you have it, TERRO Liquid Ant Baits. You can use them inside the car, outside the home, inside the home, in the kitchen, wherever ants are found. Check it out. Check out the video. Hopefully it helps you. Leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.